dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Caroline and welcome. Okay, so today, guys, my house is a disaster. Like, for real, it's bad. I've been working this whole week. If you guys watched my previous video, I'm a stay-at-home wife slash mom, but I started subbing every now and then at my kids' school. So I've been doing that, and I got carried away, and then I was working pretty much the whole week. So my house just fell apart, and it's giving me so much anxiety. Like, if my house is picked up, I'm good. If it's messy and dirty, it's like I can't even function, okay? Like, I can't even cook in my kitchen. Like, I can't do anything until it's clean. So today we are going to hit that reset button, clean everything, but I'm going to clean it a quick, like a speed clean. Literally, I'm gonna go to every room. I'm gonna give myself max maybe 20 minutes. If it's really bad, 20 minutes. If it's, a quick, like my living room, just dust off the stuff, fix the pillows. That should take me 5 minutes. So I'm gonna try and time myself depending on how the room looks, and I'm gonna try and get it done as quickly as possible, and I'm gonna try to do it all in one day. Actually, it's 9:50. I have to pick up my kids at 1:30, so I have enough time. I'm gonna go put my sheets to wash so that I can have that done for the week, and then by the time I finish cleaning, that should be done and the house will be clean. So I hope that this motivates you guys to do the same thing. Let's clean up together, and if you just want to watch me, perfect, maybe you'll do it later. Anyways, let's go clean.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one.
Okay, so you guys know that I like to give you guys little songs or things that touched me as I go through my weeks and my days or whatever. So anyways, today it's a song. It's called I Give Myself Away by William McDowell. I know you've probably heard it 100 million times, or you haven't. That's why I share them, because there's people who haven't. But even if you have, I encourage you, go listen to it. But when you listen to it this time, go and do it in a quiet space where it's just you and God, and fully sing to Him, and do it from the bottom of your heart, and just feel the Holy Spirit and give yourself completely to Him, for even if it's the duration of the song. I'm telling you, it's amazing. You're going to feel amazing, and those couple of minutes is going to change your day. I promise. Anyways, God bless.
not like yours. Dreaming of you. 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 I'm dreaming of you. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Life is a winding road,
telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down.
Okay, so I totally asked my son, could you please move so I can record this part really quick, and he totally refused. He said, no, I'm too comfortable. Can you just record with me here? I was like, okay, fine, whatever. You're going to be on my video, and don't be mad when you see yourself. So he was like, I don't care, it's fine. So he stayed there, but he totally looks like he's in timeout.
Down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.